Hello, everyone. Imagine this. You're in a conversation with a fluent English speaker. You understand what they're saying, but when it's your turn to reply, you freeze. The words are in your head, but they just won't come out. Sound familiar? I've been there too. It's frustrating, right? But what if I told you there's a way to train your brain and tongue to work together? A technique so simple that you can practice it anytime, anywhere. It's called shadowing. And it's the secret to speaking English naturally without overthinking. In today's video, we'll practice together. All you have to do is repeat after me. By the end, you'll not only have new phrases, but also know exactly how to use them in daily life. Ready? Let's get started. The hardworking girl. Emma was a bright young girl with big dreams. She burned the midnight oil, studying late at night while others slept. She wanted to become a doctor, but success did not come easy. Her family was not wealthy, and she had to push forward despite difficulties. One day, she took an important exam but failed. The results shattered her confidence, and for a moment, she thought she would lose hope. But then she remembered her mother's words. Persistence is the key to success. Instead of giving up, she decided to put in extra effort and study harder. She changed her routine and stepped up her game. Waking up early, revising daily, and practicing difficult topics became her habit. Her friends doubted her, but she ignored negativity and kept going. One day, she told herself, "My hard work will pay off." Months passed, and the exam day arrived again. This time, Emma felt confident. She wrote every answer with full concentration and hope for the best. When the results came, she aced the exam with top marks. Tears filled her eyes as she realized that her efforts had finally paid off. Her parents hugged her with pride. She had made her family proud, proving that hard work and patience lead to success. From that day on, Emma believed that no matter how tough life gets, those who refuse to quit always find a way to win. Phrases, meanings, and example sentences: burn the midnight oil, to work late at night. Sentence: I had to burn the midnight oil to finish my project. Push forward, to keep moving despite difficulties. Sentence: no matter how hard life gets, always push forward. Lose hope, to feel discouraged or hopeless. She failed twice but never lost hope. Put in extra effort, to work harder than usual. Sentence: if you want to succeed, you must put in extra effort. Step up one's game, to improve performance or efforts. Sentence: he needs to step up his game to win the competition. Ace the exam, to pass an exam with high marks. Sentence: she studied hard and aced the exam. Pay off, to get rewards for hard work. Sentence: his years of hard work finally paid off. Make someone proud, to do something that brings pride. Sentence: she made her parents proud with her success. Lead to success, to result in achieving success. Sentence: consistency and dedication always lead to success.